Hi, welcome to another segment of Kathy Broken Community. Helen and I are here with Joy Cantor of Plant Spring Joy. We are so grateful that you have us in your backyard, this beautiful space, right?
Thank
so
you.
Tell us how you got started, Joy.
I went to school to become a master gardener, and then I decided, you know what, I have so much knowledge that isn't being used, maybe I can open a business. I asked the owner of my gym where I work out, Jab's Gym, if I could get a big pot and put flowers in it in front, and he said, of course you can. So I got this great big, like, galvanized old vintage milk bucket, because it's a gym, so I wanted it to be something like the same kind of feel, gritty and unusual. And I filled it with flowers, and people started coming up to me and just saying, you know, did you do that? Can you do some work for me? And so I do design plans for neighborhoods, for like cul-de-sac islands or entranceways. I do pots for people in front of their businesses or in front of their homes. 4 seasons. I love doing all 4 seasons because it's so easy to get a hold of so many different things now to accentuate like your home and what season it is and make it look beautiful. And I do a lot inside because plants are very healthy. Everybody needs to be around nature at one point or another. And when you're working all day in an office and there's no plants, you might want to take a walk in a park after or something just to like release some of your stress. Well, I found out that, you know, if you put plants in offices and you don't have time for a walk, the plants really help you focus and breathe, and they bring nature in, and they absorb all the toxins in the air. And people also like the fact that they can take care of something. So sometimes I maintain them for them, but for the most part, they'll tell me or ask me, how often do I water this? And I'll say once a week, and if anything happens, let me know. And so they're really happy to like water it and trim it and move it and change it, and then they call and they want another. And one of the things that I love the very, very most is now that I have a bit of a name for myself, it's been 7 years, somebody will come to me and say, I got this plant when I was in the hospital and I'm completely recovered, and it was given to me and it means so much. Can you help me make sure it doesn't die? Or this plant was my great-great-great-grandmother's and it's dying. Can you please help me save this plant? And so we have a connection to nature that we don't even realize. And when I can save a plant for a client or not a client, it is so gratifying that I can't even explain how good it makes both of us feel when the plant's okay.
Well, and here we are in your backyard that Helen told you.
Yes. So you started this business after you bought the house in 2014.
Helen found me the house, and it really just being in this backyard kind of inspired me to like, how am I going to take care of all these plants? And how am I going to ever add to it or make it as beautiful as it should be? So thank you.
Well,
Thank you.